This is a review of my DeerRun Walking Pad. This is the remote control. It's very easy to start once everything's plugged in. You just click it like that and you'll see it's turning on. Then if you click the center button again, it counts down and we're walking. And then if you see right here, up and down, that is for making it go faster. So we're gonna go up. I've had this walking pad for over a year and it's been great. Sometimes I've had issues where the band that we're walking on, the tread band, it gets off centered, but the customer service for DeerRun is so good. They'll walk you through centering it again, and it just works out perfectly. Because overuse, it gets loose. That's just the way it is. But they walk you through how to do it. The first one I bought had like a motor malfunction, and they just sent me a brand new one and sent me all the shipping to send the old one back. So not through Amazon, I had to actually call DeerRun. But it's great. It goes up. I don't know. I'll let it run for a few minutes so you can see the noise level of it. I don't find the noise level too bad. I can work and I can watch Netflix or whatever when I'm on it. So I really, really highly recommend this. I think it is a great deal and it's helped me get my steps in. So if you're looking for a walking pad, highly recommend this one. When you get off, it just comes to a stop.